So welcome to today's. Yes, Amrita, I know. I know you have learned Reiki. Okay, great. So today's topic is energetic awareness. Know, Reiki, one of the benefit of Reiki is that you become more aware of the energy because Reiki itself is a universal energy. Yes, Ruchi, I remember you've done two levels. So Reiki has it's a energy. So energy flows through you, and you become aware of it, right? So uh, Reiki allows you to be more aware or more conscious about your energetic and energy. You know? Sometimes you are full of energy, sometimes we are lacking energy. So that is the best time when you feel that you are lacking energy. Uh, that time is the best time when you have to do Reiki. So we have a technique called Reiki bath, which is the energetic bath. So you immediately have to do Reiki when you feel lack of energy. Also, Reiki, how do you know whether something is good for you or not? So if you are feeling light, that is the right feeling you should have. So suppose you are looking for a new job, you are applying for a new job, and you are reading the job description, and you feel light about it. You feel light within. So then that means that it is good for you. You can go ahead. And if it feels heavy, okay, then it is not good for you. So you have to it's when you are aware of the energetic, how the energy is flowing through you, then you can actually do a better decisions in life also. Okay, and whenever there are when your chakra is not balanced, when your chakras are not balanced, when the energy flow is not correct, not enough, that time you need to take that energy and balance that energy. If it is lacking, if it is less, you have to increase it, balance it. Because if you don't do that, then you will not be able to function properly. You will not be able to talk properly. You will not be able to discuss, uh, have a good discussion. You might become angry, etc. So you have to constantly be aware. So even those who have not learned Reiki, you will find this valuable because the moment you are aware of your energy flow, you can do something about it. Now, once you learn Reiki, your energetic awareness increases to a very high level. So you become very sensitive to energy because Reiki is the energy and you can feel the flow of energy. And the energy tells you, Reiki energy tells you what you need to do. Reiki guides you. Reiki guides you in everything that you do, small, small decisions. It can be as simple as whether I have to go and meet some next person or no today. So if it is not the right day today, then you will automatically get that message from Reiki that this today is not the right day. Also, when you are making decisions, it can help you because like every day when you take some decision, or let's say now, like I was just talking to one student right now some time back. uh, she wants to sell her flat. So in that also you can ask Ricky for guidance and receive energetic guidance whether what is good for you, what is not good for you. So you have to, now those who are practicing Reiki, you have to be aware of this energetic, the flow of energy in your body. It has to be a free flow. So whenever that is not there, it is the time to do Reiki. It can be a 5 minute Reiki bath. Those who have so those who have learned, you already know about it. That is the any questions about this? Anybody has any questions? You can ask. There is one question that somebody has asked. about some time back. Is there any scientific proof that Reiki works? So I would to share with you. There are a lot of scientific research that people have done about Reiki, and uh, there are there are many scientific studies that has been done about Reiki. One such study is I will just share with you. So one such study I want to share with you that these are like this this is a case like study, a groundbreaking scientific study by Green Lotus. Okay. You can look at the greenlotushubpages.com. You can see this, and they have done a study, and there are many American hospitals where Reiki is given to patients for pain, and it has been seen that uh, it has been having very good effect, but many people have not given it as much due as it is required. But there are many clinical studies also have which has been done, and which has given very good evidence that Reiki actually works. Many case studies have been done, and the results are really amazing. It reduces Reiki reduces stress, anxiety, depression, controlling pain levels. These are very visible results, and you can see many hospitals they have done this. Uh, you know, Reiki, they allow Reiki practitioners to come and do. So these these kind of uh, uh, results are there. Scientific study has been done. Post operative pain after tooth extraction. Okay, after extraction, there many people have done. People who have Alzheimer's, for them it has been very useful. Uh, any kind of pain, post-operative relaxation. Once the operation is done, Reiki helps in relaxation. Pain for chronically ill patients, depression, stress, and well-being level of Reiki practitioners has been very good. Thinking, they think much more positive. They're very positive in different situations. So these are some examples of the research that has been done about Reiki. So sometimes people were asking. So anybody has any other question? Am I audible? मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Is it my voice is clear? Okay. Anybody has any questions? You can unmute yourself and ask the question. Okay. So just coming to the what is the purpose of Nalanda Reiki Center? Uh, so I will just share with you. Purpose of Nalanda Reiki Center is to train and develop about us. I'll just share with you on the website on my blog. We have the about us where I've written the purpose. Okay. So Nalanda Reiki Center is a place dedicated to spreading the teachings of Reiki. The, found, the foundation of the goal is to provide pure teachings of Reiki as taught by Mikao Usui, who rediscovered Reiki in Japan. Okay. The vision is to spread Reiki and other natural healing methods all over the world. Purpose is to train and develop masters teachers in Reiki and other healing modalities, and to train and develop powerful healers of Reiki and natural healing modalities. Our core values are integrity, doing the right thing in all situations, trust in the universe, gratitude, humility, commitment. So we can go through this and our promises, and so this is like the Reiki blog, and you can see many articles over here. You can read many articles. I've written more than 100 articles. On the right hand side, you will see many articles about. This is Sudhir sir, also he's a very senior teacher, and we have many teachers who are already doing uh, like teaching, like Zenis in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and Rajkot. Dr. Bijal Shah, she's in Canada now, and many other teachers are there. And not all are listed here. We need time to do that. So that's about purpose. So uh, if anybody has any questions, you can ask, you can type, or you can unmute yourself and ask the question. Yes, any questions from anyone? Okay, so I will also share with you of the upcoming events what is coming up now. So we have the level 1 course on. We are having a 3-day course, level 1 course, which will be in the morning time. So sometimes we have a full day course, sometimes we have like this also. So we have Thursday, Friday, Saturday morning, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. on Zoom itself. We will have this. After this, there will be a 21-day practice session. So those who want, they can register and like register for this course. So like you, Ajay, like you have not learned, so you can learn. Anjana, Manjusha has already completed 3 levels, or I think 2 levels. So this is for all the new people. Then on Saturday, this Saturday uh, we are going to have Reiki level 2, which is called Okude, where you can do distance healing, etc. So so that is on Saturday. It's a full day course, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., followed by 21 days of practice. So those who have done completed level 1 and 21 days of practice, they can go for attend this workshop, this Reiki course. Then those who have completed second level also and done good practice, they have good results, and then they can do the third level, which is on Sunday. 21 days practice followed by this. Okay, so that's about it. Anybody has any questions about today's topic? Okay, now I would like Amit, you want to share something, your experience of Reiki, or anybody else who has done Reiki? You want to share your experience, something new experience, or uh, like anything you want to add on this? Manjusha, you have many good experiences of healing. You want to unmute yourself and just speak if you like to share something.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
So I would
Yes,
like to share my experience with Reiki.
yes,
Like
Ruchi.
I think I had told you that I was having migraine for the last 25 years.
Yes, yes, yes.
And Reiki really helped me, sir, because now also at times, once in 20 days it does come up. But after healing, it really subsides, it really goes, and I'm able to sleep.
Wow.
So it has really done wonders. It has really done wonders to me, sir.
Wow. Amazing. Amazing.
And
So,
another thing, sir. I'll just touch wood also. I have not been visiting hospitals like earlier. Sometimes cold, cough, or some infection, viral, something or the other used to happen to me. But with
right,
continuous, healing and all, self healing. So
right.
this has also really gone. So
Wow.
I'm really happy and I'm really satisfied with Reiki. And I motivate others also to really adopt this field, this line. It is
Very
really a
nice.
blessing. It's a boon actually.
Very nice. Very nice. Amazing. So, thank you,
Thank
Ruchi,
you,
for
sir.
sharing this. Uh,
Thank
so,
you, sir.
like, it's very amazing because just imagine, like, so many people spend so much money in these things, in health issues, frequent visit to the doctor. All these can be avoided because uh, with Reiki, you're energetically, you are balanced, you are charged, you don't fall sick. Also, you can help other people. So you can
Yes,
see, like, even I had migraine. And you might have
yes, yes, sir.
Ruchi knows, and many
Uh,
people have read my article about it or my videos they have seen. So Ruchi is a
yes, sir.
very live example. Like, it's very interesting that 25 years somebody has migraine and is able to overcome that and have a good sleep. So it's a big achievement. It's a big achievement. You People, there are, like, people who have, there are people who have lots of money but they are not able to sleep because of health issues or worries or things like that. But Reiki practitioners are able to have a good sleep, and so that is really wonderful. Anybody else want to share? So Amit is traveling, so he will not be able to share. He will share some other time. This thing. Anybody else want to share or ask a question?
Sir, I want to share
Yes,
something.
Manjusha.
Yeah. Sir, I have observed Reiki works better on health issue more than our other material wishes. Like I am doing Reiki for me and my mother.
Right.
Okay, so it is working very nicely on mother as well as on my health issue also.
Okay.
But I have another wish also regarding my
Okay.
marriage, and it is trying since 2 3 years. Even other Reiki master also gave send me Reiki energy regarding marriage,
Right.
but still I did not get progress. But regarding health, I have observed quick result more than medicines. Reiki work better.
Right.
So I don't know why it's working on.
Okay, so I'll tell you why. What happens is basically, see, there are different levels of Reiki at which it does different, like the purpose is different. Okay, so I'll just explain you this. The uh, the first level of Reiki level one. This is about healing at a physical level, uh, with hands-on healing. So this, all the issues which are physical, like, in nature, will be addressed here. So you will be able to do it properly, Reiki here with this level. But when it comes to mental emotional issues, this is second level is required, Okuden, which are higher teachings. So you can do issues for some things, like even for mental issues or depression, things like that. You can do emotional issues, you can get good results. But when it comes to the higher level, which is spiritual level, this is the spiritual level healing at the soul level. So marriage and these kind of things are actually related to spirit, to your past karma also. And so this healing happens at this level. So generally, after this level, after the third level, many such things, the stubborn issues of life, where results are not being produced, you're doing many things but results are not coming. So at at this level, you can do that. At that, when you are healed at this level, things become easy. Okay, so this could be one of the reasons. So, like so it is required because we are a spiritual being. We are we are not a physical being. We are a spiritual being, right? We are a spiritual being, and we need healing at that level, at the spiritual level. So many of these, like even issues with children, etc., also are required the spiritual level, and that is the highest level of healing. Even somebody,
Okay.
लिस्ट इथे चालू आहे मला बोलायचं असेल चालू आहे ऐकू
okay, so please
मला ऐकायचं मला बोलायचं
please unmute yourself. 1 minute. You mute yourself if you are talking to others. Okay, fine. So, like, I hope this. If you have any, like, Manjusha, if you can call me if you like to discuss further. But hope you got some idea about what I'm saying.
Yes, yes, I understood your point. Okay.
Right.
We'll
So anybody,
discuss later. Definitely.
yeah. Anybody else has any questions? You can unmute and
Yeah. Sir, can you hear me?
yes.
Yeah, sorry. Actually, I'm using the Zoom for the first time.
Yeah.
So I was just trying to figure out the audio.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
now,
tell me.
yeah. So I have because of the lockdown, I got an opportunity to, learn Reiki.
Right.
And during the most difficult times, like, everything was closed and there was so much of depression, all those things.
Right.
Just practicing Reiki, it has just helped me so much. Like being positive and actually the Reiki energy helped me to reach level 3 also, which I just completed 2 days before.
Very good.
Yeah, so I think the energy is basically helping me to progress in life. It's just wonderful.
Wow. Wow. So congratulations.
Thank you.
And very nice to hear that. And so that's it from me on today's webinar. So be in touch. Come for the future webinars also. I'll keep announcing it. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Manjusha, Ajay, Anjana, Ruchi, Shreya.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Ruchi, Amit.
Thank you so
sir.
much, sir. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for the lovely session, sir.
Thank you.